What's up, y'all? Your girl's back with another MFN video featuring Sensationnel Butter Lace Straight 32 inches. I got her in Beige Gold from Amazon, 45 bucks. So a slay under $50. Now let's get into this install. I am not using a cap this time, so this is an install without a cap. I needed to get going, y'all. I went ahead and cleaned my hair with alcohol. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use my protecting spray and spray it on my edges as well as where I'm going to be laying the lace. It does help it stick. Before I got on camera, I cut my lace, I washed my hair, as well as flat ironed it. And so as you can see, I'm using my EBIN adhesive gel. Not the spray yet, but the gel. So this is not a glue. It is safe for your edges, so you don't have to worry about it. It washes right out. I am gonna go ahead and put a few layers. So 2 or 3 layers, then I install it. It needs to be clear. Make sure it's clear. I don't use my fingers to pat it down. I use a comb. And as you can see, I'm patting down those edges as well as styling my hairline. I did pluck this unit as well before I got on camera. So plucking your unit also helps with adhering to your skin. And so now I'm just going through because, as you know, I like to have edges that are not baby hair. So just natural edges looking like it's coming out of my head because I wear my hair back a lot. So that's what I like to do. And right now I am putting more adhesive gel where I did not previously or where it's not sticking. And you want to make sure you do this, and you want to make sure you tug as you install from side to side. That way you don't have any issues with carpet snakes. And see, I'm just drying with the comb, going through, using my adhesive gel. Wherever I don't have any gel, I am making sure I put gel there so that my lace will stick. As you can see, I'm tugging and putting it down at the same time, as well as using the end of my rat tail comb to make sure it sticks. More EBIN gel, making sure those edges, or should I say those parts by my ear, oh my goodness, are the hardest to stick. So that is where I focus on once I get done with the top. Going through here, making sure that those edges and that lace is stuck to my hair, or excuse me, my hairline. Because again, I did not use no cap. Look at that, popping. Had to cut that little bit of extra lace off. Now I'm going through with my EBIN spray. And I'll continue to use my EBIN spray to style my hairline. And the reason I do this is because, again, it creates a natural looking hairline without having to have baby hair or edges or anything like that. Some parts still was not stuck on. So that's what I'm doing now, going through, making sure that it is stuck on and dry. I'm using hot heat right now. And the reason I use hot heat on that part is because it just helps it adhere better. It just sticks better. Look at that, yes. now I'm going through, I'm combing my edges out. This is something that you'll want to do. Tying my hair down before I apply any makeup. Yes, looking right, looking right. Now I'm going to apply makeup on my part. I did not pluck this part. Some parts I do pluck, but the way the wig is constructed, it's a T part, so it just looks better not plucking the part. I'm using a very, very skinny paintbrush to apply it. I like the way it comes out, and if it gets too like thick or dark, you'll be able to notice it. And so with a skinnier brush, you're able to get that line looking like it's coming straight out your scalp. See? Scalp giving. Yes. I love this wig, y'all. I buy this wig multiple times, honestly. This is like my 6th time buying this wig. And now I'm going through doing the same thing, just making sure that my edges and my hairline is looking as natural as possible. I'm not using a lot of makeup. I'm using the residual makeup that was on there, to be honest. Now I'm using a different brush because it had a little bit of the darker makeup on it. And so I'm going in with the darker makeup as well, and I will list the makeup that I use. I tied it down again, and now I'm untying it. Got a little bit of white. Take some water on your comb or water on your finger and do exactly like I'm doing and just wipe it on out. It will come out because this is not like adhesive. This is adhesive gel. Bomb. Again, I did flat iron this unit before I got on camera. I plucked it before I got on camera. And so I just wanted to make sure my wig was given, and she is. Now this wig is big head friendly. Again, 32 inches. I got it in Balayage Gold from Amazon, which is awesome. Again, since it's 32 inches, you don't have to really worry about sitting on it unless you're short. And it is very silky hair. The hair is really, really soft and really, really silky. So the unit is a nice density. I like them a little thicker, but it's okay. But this is a big head friendly unit. So if you have a smaller head, I would suggest making sure you're using the tie that comes in the back, as well as the comb that comes in the back. Playing all in that hair, yes. Look at that hairline, yeah. Give it to me, baby. Give it, yes. This is day number 2. Look, as you can see, I got the little indentation, but that's all right. Sensationnel BUTTA Lace, I'm loving it. Check me out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Your girl Nikita will be back next week. Every Sunday, there's a new video. Check me out.